the name of Allah, the most affectionate, the most merciful, and all praises due to Allah, Lord of all the world, the most affectionate, the most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. We worship you alone and beg you alone for help. Guide us in the straight path, the path of this worm you have forwarded, not of those who have unto your angel, and none of those who have gone astray. Thank you.
അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും വറഹ്മത്തുള്ളാഹി. ബഹുമാനം നിറഞ്ഞ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൻ്റെ എച്ച്.എം. ഷഫീഖ് സാർ, അതുപോലെ എൻ്റെ സഹാധ്യാപകരെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, ഈ 2021-22 വർഷത്തെ സ്കൂൾ പാർലമെൻറ്റ് ഇലക്ഷൻ്റെ സത്യപ്രതിജ്ഞ, തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുടെ സത്യപ്രതിജ്ഞാ ചടങ്ങിലാണ് നാം എല്ലാവരും ഉള്ളത്. സ്കൂൾ ലീഡർ, സയൻസ് ക്ലബ്ബ്, സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ് ക്ലബ്ബ്, ലാംഗ്വേജ് ക്ലബ്ബ്, ഈ 4 സ്ഥാനത്തേക്ക് മത്സരിച്ച് തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുടെ സത്യപ്രതിജ്ഞാ ചടങ്ങാണ് ഇവിടെ നടക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിലേക്ക് വന്ന എല്ലാവരെയും ഒറ്റവാക്കിൽ സ്വാഗതം പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം നിയന്ത്രിക്കുന്നത് നസ്രീന ടീച്ചറാണ്. അവരെ സ്നേഹാദരോടെ ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും.
Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to our respected principal Shafiq sir, parents, Al-Falah staff members and my dear students. Today we all are gathered here to conduct our institute's ceremony of our school parliament members. I congratulate all the members who have selected for our school parliament council. Now I welcome our principal Shafiq sir for inauguration function. Thank you.
If your actions, words inspire others to learn more, to read more, to think more, to dream more, or to become something more, you are a leader. Very good morning, one and all present here. Dear parents, respected teachers, management members, honorable members of School Students' Council, and all students. We all gathered here to witness the wonderful program, the investiture ceremony of Students' Union, Students' Council of Al-Falah English Medium School for the academic year 2021-22. First of all, I congratulate, I salute, a big salute all of you. And I appreciate your readiness and your confidence and your courage to contest in the school parliament election to be candidate in it. Because you know very important qualities of a leader. Mainly the first one is confidence. I am sure you have very much confidence. You are very much confident in your things, in your activities. Because among the above 400 students of Al-Falah English School, you are the students who got ready to contest, to become candidate in the election, and you have performed very well in the election campaign and everything. So I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I caught the great word of APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India. If you want to shine like a sun, first you have to burn like a sun. If you work hard, you can get everything. While explaining the qualities of good leader, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he explained a story that occurred in his life. He says that he was the mission director, he was the project director of satellite launching in the year 1989. Their attempt was to launch the satellite in the orbit, but unfortunately the attempt was failure. Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam was very much frightened because the cost, the expense of a satellite launching is very high. A huge amount of our country is now in the Bay of Bengal. It will be in the Bay of Bengal if the attempt is failed. At that time, ISRO chief Mr. Satish Dhawan came there and he called him, Mr. Kalam, you come on with me. And they took a press conference. In the press conference, Mr. Satish Dhawan told that, unfortunately, we failed in our attempt today. But I am sure, if my team get some more technical support, they can succeed in the next year. Next year, they tried their very best. Next year, 1990, they succeeded in their attempt. At that time, Mr. Satish Dhawan told Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the mission director, the project director, you can go and you can take the press conference. Then Kalam says that a leader should be able to manage not only success, the failure too. According to Maxwell, the leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. We know Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he arrived at Makkah, the people were living there without knowing their aims. They don't know what they are living for. They were killing their baby kids. They were killing their baby kids. They were addicted to alcohol. They don't know what is the aim of the life. Within 23 years, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught them with his life what the aim of life. So, the ability of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was his influence in his life. Our father of nation, Mr. Gandhiji, has told once, you can learn something more from my life. My life is my message. That means you have no need to hear my speech. You are not needed to read my books. Only by listening, only by watching, only by observing my life, I am sure you can be a good person. That's why Gandhiji told, when he explained the definition of education, education is the all-round development of the child in his mind, spirit and body. So dear students, I don't want to prolong my speech. As Gandhiji told, within our student period, we have to earn not only some knowledge but more values. While conducting the election, we are trying to teach you the value of democracy, the value of leadership. So I am sure you are the students having more capacities. So you are the team going to lead the school in this year. So I conclude my speech. Once again, I wish you all the best. Thank you. the official beginning of the Students' Union is going to be held by taking oath by the Students' Union members. So, at first I welcome school leader Aisha Dilna. Please. Clap.
I, Aisha Dilna Peti, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of school leader and will, to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas, activities, and constitution of Al-Falah English School Student Council. I will serve as a positive role model, leader, and voice for the student population and will represent the team as well as possible.
Next, assistant leader Zimma Samir.
I, Zima Samir, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of assistant school leader and will, to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas, activities, and constitution of Al-Falah English School Student Council. I will serve as a positive role model, leader, and voice for the student population and will represent the team as well as possible.
Next, Science Club convener Rahiba Lukman. I,
Rahiba Lukman, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of convener of the Science Club and will, to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas, activities, and constitution of Al-Falah English Medium School Student Council. I will serve as a positive role model, leader, and voice for the student population and will represent the riders as well as possible. Thank you.
Next, Language Club convener Zida Naurin.
I, Zida Naurin, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of Language Club convener and will, to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas, activities of Constitution of Al-Falah English School Students Council. I will serve as a positive role model, leader, and voice for students' population and will represent the team as well as possible.
Next, Language Club Assistant Convener Minha.
I am Minha Chaurey. Do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of Language Club Assistant Convener and will, to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas, activities, and constitutions of Al-Falah English Medium School Council. I will serve as a positive role model leader, voice for the students' population, and will represent the riders as well as possible.
Next, Social Science Club convener Lubaba Wadud.
I, Lubaba Wadud, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of convener of Social Science Club and will, to the best of my ability, uphold, promote and support the ideas, activities and constitute of Al Falah English Medium School Student Council. I will serve as a positive role model leader and voice for the student population and will represent the team as well as possible. Thank you.
Next, Social Science Club Assistant Convener Azmil.
I, Azmil, do solemnly swear that I will execute the possible of Social Science Club convener, that I will, to the best of my ability, uphold, promote and support the ideas and activities and constitution of Al Falah English Medium School Students Counseling. I will serve as possible role model, leader and voice for students population and with represent the teams well as possible.